Cybersecurity is a rapidly growing domain in information technology. In today's context, where malware attacks and cyber threats are constantly growing, companies want a qualified cybersecurity professional to manage their security infrastructure and protect their assets. So, the demand for cybersecurity professionals is growing and does not look like it is going to go down anytime soon. Therefore, it is natural for many freshers to want to involve themselves in the cybersecurity field. However, it is important to note that making a name for yourself in the cybersecurity domain is not easy. There are many different cybersecurity certifications available from many different vendors worldwide. Here are the best 4 cybersecurity certifications for freshers that I would recommend. 1. CompTIA Security. The CompTIA Security is one of the well-known cybersecurity certifications in the world. It is delivered by CompTIA, an organization that has a well-established reputation in the IT market. The certification covers many different topics of security and information assurance. These topics include network security, threats and vulnerabilities, cryptography, data security, risk management, etc. It costs around $311. You can get the jobs like network administrator, security specialist, etc. with the CompTIA Security certification. 2. GISP Information Security Fundamentals, GISF. The GISP certification is designed mostly for the information security officers, security managers, and systems engineers who involve themselves in the field of cybersecurity. The certification gives you a good overview of the security principles and techniques, backup recovery, security policies, and other related topics. It is considered more difficult than the CompTIA Security but contains similar kinds of topics as that of the security certification. 3. Microsoft Technology Associate, MTA, Security Fundamentals. The Microsoft Technology Associate, MTA, Security Fundamentals is a cybersecurity certification that is especially geared towards cybersecurity freshers. It is an entry-level certification mostly designed for high school and college students who want to start their careers in cybersecurity. The certification tests and validates your knowledge of the core principles of information security, network security, and operating system basics. The certification exam costs around $127 and it is recommended that you have some hands-on knowledge of Windows Server, Windows-based networking firewalls, software, and other related products. 4. Certified Information Systems Security Professional, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Okay, this one is not really a certification made for freshers. However, I could not sit this one out. It is because you cannot mention cybersecurity certifications without mentioning the Certified Information Systems Security Professional certification. The Certified Information Systems Security Professional, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, is one of the most widely recognized, reputable, challenging, and beneficial cybersecurity certifications out there. Given by the vendor ISC2, the Certified Information Systems Security Professional certification tests your overall knowledge on becoming a cybersecurity professional. Having a Certified Information Systems Security Professional certification means that you are a highly qualified security professional and can handle the security mechanism of an organization perfectly. The reputation of Certified Information Systems Security Professional certification a few years ago was such that by just showing that you have the certification, you would get a highly paid security job without any interview. The Certified Information Systems Security Professional is one of the most challenging cybersecurity certification exams, which is 6 hours long. And it also requires at least 5 years of proven experience as a security professional to sit in. But getting the certification is well worth it to improve your career in the cybersecurity field.